Right, let's give this another go, shall we? (2026) take 2. Yeah, so I rode home for the first time yesterday after getting back to work. It was, it was okay. I can't say that it could have been better. Confidence really wasn't that high, but it was setting out again, taking the bike out of storage and riding home, and it was about 26, 27 degrees yesterday. So yeah, and full really bright sunshine, of course. My eyes are still very sensitive to, or my left eye is, which triggers my right eye anyway. Very sensitive to a lot of light. I'm even finding that I sometimes have sunglasses on indoors at work because of all the LED strip lights. After about 4 or 5 hours, it can become quite overwhelming. Yeah, so it's just getting back on with it and getting the eye used to focusing on multiple targets backwards and forwards. Beautiful morning though, isn't it? Look at this. What an endeavour that was, over 2 months of it. But not blind. And the more the lens settles and the retina heals, which can take, according to the doctor, up to a year, it should get better and better. There's quite a difference between the eyes now. My older eye, my undamaged eye, I can see now has, I don't know, let's say an aged yellow hue to everything. Sort of an I think of the filters when you're changing the colour on a photograph. There's one that you can press that says antique. That's what my right eye looks like now. Excuse me. The left eye now, with the new lens and the retina repair, is like the equivalent of chromed. Everything is, the colour is sort of whitened out somewhat. Plus I've got still 2 distances, so if I look at an object like that lorry now with my right eye, it's fairly close. The left eye, it's slightly further away. So of course when I'm using both eyes, I get a little bit of a double vision thing. That should, I've been told, settle in time. And I don't know, what was I trying to decide what way I'm going to go to work now. Of course it's just a commute ride, but I haven't really got much to offer up at the moment. Better than nothing. I've got to remember also these tyres aren't completely scrubbed in. Yeah, that was, I was rambling on. I do, I've got to get new glasses, of course, because the glasses that I've got don't work with my left eye. It's not horrendous, it's just a bit, a little bit blurry, I suppose. But of course, there's nothing you want when you're riding. All these new tyres have got a very much rounder fatness to it, so I can feel the difference in having to like pull the bike over. That's quite a nice sunrise, isn't it? I should get a nice view over in the sweet spot. It's a beautiful morning. I think it's, what is it? It's about 12-13 degrees, which is my kind of temperatures. Yeah, I can feel I've got to pull it over. But yeah, let's hope that this is it and I'm back as much as I can be. So new glasses, but the doctor has said there's no point going for at least a month. Because if I get new glasses now, when the eye continues to settle more and more, of course I need new glasses, and at about 700 quid a throw. I ain't got it, Mr. Mannering, I'm too broke. And oh, beautiful. Fill me up, fill up my soul. I've had people saying to me, oh, you lucky bugger having all that time off of work. It was tedious as hell, especially as you really can't sort of watch that much TV because your eyes hurt, and you can't read books because you can't focus on anything. You couldn't go walking because of the air bubble in your eye. It just made you so seasick. Audio books, yeah, how much fun is that? You know, 10 hours a day. Moan, but still better than being blind. Surprisingly enough, I actually thought I was going to lose a hell of a lot of subscribers. My sub count actually went up. So thank you very much to welcome all the new people. A lot of it's come off of the back of that video I did a couple of years ago, the touring mods that I did when I did the walk around the bike, which continues to grow. It's nice to have one video that continues to grow anyway. And I've, you know, thankfully passed over 600 subscribers, which is just great. For little old Stevie and his ailments. But thanks people for checking in, keeping in touch. The biking community, as I've always said, is fucking amazing. And some good healthy piss taking. Oh, got to make that noise every time now. Oh, I didn't. I was going to go the slow way. Oh well, too late now. Muscle memory. But I'll get the view done, and then I'll call it a short one because I want to concentrate on the motorway. It's good to be back. And luckily there's still some of the summer to come, so I might get a couple of decent rides in. I don't know what these eyes would be like over a long distance ride, but it's just to jump in and find out, isn't it? The worst thing that happens though is that you just end up getting eye ache and a headache. It's not like it's damaging. Coming out! So the battery was completely dead. Once again I had to get her started with the battery booster. Come on, car, are you going to come past me and overtake then? And I had it on charge. It didn't get a full charge. I didn't have enough time. I didn't realise it was going to be that dead, actually. I wasn't expecting that. But when you think about it, the bike's been ridden once in 2 months. And that was when I rode it into storage after, was it eight days or something after the operation. But yeah, I'm going to get past this lorry here. And then I'll call it quits for this one. So cheers guys, thanks for hanging around, and hopefully I can get a few little adventures in before the next round of bloody winter comes. But yeah, 2-3 months maybe, hopefully. We should be able to knock out some trips. So cheers guys, catch you in the next one.